Samsung Galaxy M52 5G has unobtrusively been dispatched in Poland, only days in front of its authority appearance in India. The new Samsung telephone has been spotted on the organization's site. The web-based posting of Samsung Galaxy M52 5G conveys its total particulars that incorporate triple back cameras, 120Hz Super AMOLED Plus show, and 25W charging support. The telephone additionally accompanies an opening punch show plan and conveys a 64-megapixel essential camera. Moreover, Samsung Galaxy M52 5G has been recorded in 3 unmistakable shading alternatives. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G accessibility. According to the posting on the Samsung Poland site, Samsung Galaxy M52 5G is accessible in the country in black, blue, and white tones and in a solitary 128GB stockpiling alternative. No valuing subtleties were referenced in the posting. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G details. The Polish site likewise affirms that Samsung Galaxy M52 5G details. The telephone runs on Android-based One IE. It includes a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus show with 20:9 perspective proportion and up to 120 Hz invigorate rate. In the engine, the Galaxy M52 5G houses an Octa-Center SoC, alongside 6GB of RAM. The Samsung Poland site doesn't give any reasonable insights regarding the SoC. However, Amazon India shows on its site that the new telephone will be fueled by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G. For photographs and recordings. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G has a triple back camera arrangement that incorporates a 64-megapixel essential sensor, alongside f1.8 focal point. The camera arrangement likewise houses a 12-megapixel auxiliary sensor with f2.2 super wide focal point and a 5-megapixel full-scale shooter, the organization's Poland site shows. As far as catching selfies and empowering video visits, Samsung Galaxy M52 5G likewise conveys a 32-megapixel selfie camera at the front, with a f2.2 focal point. Samsung has given 128GB of installed stockpiling on the Galaxy M52 5G that can be extended up to 1TB by means of a committed microSD card opening, according to the posting on the Samsung Poland site. Availability alternatives incorporate 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5, GPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. The Samsung site additionally shows that the Galaxy M52 5G incorporates a variety of sensors that involves accelerometer, encompassing light sensor, spinner, magnetometer, and nearness sensor. There is likewise a side-mounted finger impression sensor. Samsung has given a 5000 mAh battery on the Galaxy M52 5G, alongside 25W charging support. The telephone measures 164.2 x 76.4 x 7.4 mm and weighs 173 grams, the posting affirms. Valuing insights regarding Samsung Galaxy M52 5G are yet to be uncovered. In any case, a new appearance on a Poland retailer site proposed that it very well may be evaluated at plain 1,749, generally Rs. 32,900.